Open your phone settings, tap on Wi-Fi, tap on the settings icon. Save or screenshot this QR code. Next, either install this app or visit this website. I'll begin the demo by launching the app. If the QR code is on another device, use the app scanner. Since I have it as an image, I'll just select the photo to scan. Locate the screenshot. As you can see, it's provided the password for me here. The same applies for the website. Just click in here, click on choose a file. I have mine here. Then hit on submit over here. As you can see, it gave me the Wi-Fi name and the P indicates the password. So on Windows, just press the Windows key and I to launch the settings. Select network or internet, Wi-Fi, manage no networks, and select any of the networks. Scroll down here to view Wi-Fi security key and click on view here. This is the password. Now this option might not be available for Windows 10. So on Windows 10, make sure you are connected to your Wi-Fi network and search for view network connections. Click in here, status, wireless properties, security, and then click in here to show the password. Another way of viewing the password on all Windows versions this is by using CMD. So launch CMD as an administrator and type in the following command: let's shell WLAN show profile to list all the Wi-Fi networks your computer has connected to in the past. To check out the network I'm currently connected to, just hit the up arrow key, type in the network name, and then key equal to clear. This is what is going to display the password in clear text for us. As you can see, under the security settings tab, key contains, this is the password. If your profile name is 2 or more words, you might get an error. So the right way to do this is just copy your profile name in here. Hit the up arrow key and then type name equal to double quotes. Paste in your profile name and bring another double quotes. Leave a space and type key equal to clear. And you should get your password over here. For those of you using your routers at home, the only way to prevent someone from viewing your Wi-Fi password is to set up a guest network. A guest network is a separate Wi-Fi network set up for visitors to access the internet without giving them access to your main network and its devices. You can find the guest network settings in your router's web interface under the wireless or Wi-Fi section. Look for a tab or option labeled guest network. Other routers have it hidden in the wireless tab. Set a name for your guest network. Set the encryption type to WPA3 if available. If not, WPA2 should be fine. And finally, set a password. Also make sure allow guests to access local network is disabled, so your guests won't be able to see or access files on your main network. You can also limit the bandwidth of the guest network by enabling this feature in the egress bandwidth field, which stands for upload. Enter the maximum speed, and then in the ingress bandwidth field, which stands for download, enter the maximum speed you want to allow. You can also set a specific time for guests to access the internet and save your settings. You have now configured the guest network. Just enable or disable them anytime you have a guest or people you don't trust with your network around. Next, for IT professionals and system administrators, you can prevent your users from viewing the Wi-Fi password by ensuring only the administrator account has admin privileges. Any other account should be set to local. For example, click here to change the account type to a standard account. Now I will log out of the admin account and log into the user account. When the user attempts to view the Wi-Fi password, they will be prompted to enter the admin's password. Therefore, they won't be able to view the Wi-Fi password. Additionally, don't connect mobile phones to the same network as the PCs to avoid what I demonstrated at the beginning of the video. Before you leave, here are some router settings to help secure your Wi-Fi network. Use WPA3 encryption if possible, because at the time of recording, WPA3 cannot be cracked even with a weak password. If WPA3 isn't available, use WPA2 with a strong password of at least 8 characters, including a lowercase letter, uppercase letter, numbers, and symbols. This will make it harder for hackers to crack your Wi-Fi password. Also ensure your Wi-Fi password and your router login password are not the same.